You always get a very good welcome from the locals because I think they understand the importance of the university. I think the whole town understands the importance of the university. When we were playing against Aberystwyth Town Football Club, and you want Aber University to get back into that situation because when I was here it was 2,500 students, so in the end there's about 9,000 students coming to this university, and there has to be an improvement in the football. Now we've got a local player, a local boy, Matthew Jones, playing obviously for Aberystwyth University here today.
So my name's Thomas Crockett, I'm the media officer here at Aber. What a fantastic evening. This is my colleague Tom Bates, and tonight we're the student engagement team. So what we're going to do, we're going to be going around telling students about what we've got here at the football club, hopefully collecting some details so we can engage with them and offering them free tickets for our next home game, which is on Friday night. Thanks very much.
Huge for the town, but we're the biggest sporting organisation in the town. One thing that got me about this town when I arrived was the fact that the locals got it. They understood the fact of the necessity for this, for the university in this town.